A code of ethics for teachers of the Wicca. All initiations, previous experience, and group affiliations are to be made known to your students. Before beginning training, tell your student you don't know everything about the subject, but are willing to refer them on to another person, if you don't have the personal expertise. Tell your student of your personal beliefs, teaching what you know, but also emphasizing paganism is about personal spirituality and that they must find their own truth. Students should be of legal age or have parental permission. This does not exclude passing on basic information of religious beliefs to minors. All theoretical information should be supported by ritual demonstration. All lessons must be pre-prepared by studying up on the area to be taught about, and decide how you're going to present this information for the easiest understanding of the individual student. Make notes to be given to the student. There is to be a nominal fee for teaching to cover ritual supplies, and it fluctuates depending on the student. It is at the discretion of the teacher if they choose to loan books or give supplies from their personal collection. All teachers must continue their own education also. It is impossible to know everything. Do not proselytize. All students must seek out their teacher. You do not take on more than 4 students at a time per mentor. Students can be taught on an individual basis or in a teaching circle. Students should be told if the training would not lead to initiation. You respect the confidentiality of your own students first and foremost, but also respect the confidentiality of group members, other pagans, and clients for whom you perform the occult arts. The only time that confidentiality is broken is if you feel that the person is a danger either to themselves or to others in a physical or mental way. A teacher must never have a romantic relationship with their student. It destroys the power balance and has led to much disrepute in the communities both inside and outside the pagan paths. If relations occur between the teacher and student, a new teacher must be found for that student. Teaching is to be given on a mentor basis, the teacher adapting for each student. A student can be rejected and all psychic links can be broken if they use the magical arts outside the restraints of the magical law of harm none. A list of the code of teaching ethics is given to the student to show your position on various issues. This is to be kept, and training can be broken by either parties, but a reason should be given out of courtesy. Many teachers ask the students to draw up a corresponding student's code of ethics to show commitment. A good teacher teaches spiritual as well as magical aspects of paganism, encourages healing magic, has a well-balanced life. If they can't have a balanced life, they can hardly teach a balanced method of magic. Is willing to teach differently for each student. Encourages practice as well as theoretical teachings. Welcomes questions and is willing to admit when they don't know. Networks with other pagans and groups, being able to refer you on when they are not proficient in the area of paganism you are seeking to explore. If you would like more information about paganism, Wicca, witchcraft, and other magics, click on the links in the description below. There is also a link below this video for a free numerology personalized report available for you. Like and share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Visit our website. There, you can become a subscriber to get lots of weekly freebies too. Thanks for watching.